This question's in two parts, but it deals with the same equation, 1 over u plus 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. Yeah, awkward, everything's on the bottom. And then we've got to rearrange it and make u the subject. Okay, let's just write the equation down. And here are our two values. And again, they've not been very kind in that our two values are expressed as mixed numbers, but we really want them as single fractions. So let's start with u. Just as we say it, this is 2.5. So 2 in half-land, if we transform the 2 into a set of halves, we get 4 of them. So this is equal to 4 over 2, 4 halves, plus another half. So this can be considered as 5 over 2. Let's do the same with v. And again, we say 3 and a third. So this will be plus a third. We need to transform the 3 into thirds. How many thirds make up 3? Well, there'll be 3 per integer. So this will be 9 over 3. So this is equal to 10 over 3. Well, now we've got some fighting chance of finding a solution, because we can say that therefore 1 over u is equal to 2 over 5. Just turn it upside down. And here, 1 over v is equal to 3 over 10. We can now sub these values. Let's call that equation 1. Sub in 1. And we get 1 over u, so it's 2 over 5, plus 3 over 10 is what we need to find out. 5 and 10 are both in the 5 times table, so we can choose the denominator as 10. And the routine is 5 into 10 goes twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 over 10, you see, is the same as 2 over 5. We can cancel a 2 out. Plus, 10 into 10 goes once. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. And the answer is 7 over 10. But remember that 7 over 10 is equal to 1 over f. So therefore f is equal to 10 over 7. And that is your answer. So that was part A, and now we'll start part B. And we're asked to make u the subject. Our main problem is that everything is in the denominator. To move this guy up to the top, we'd have to multiply by u. The u would cancel here, we'd get a u on the top here and a u on the top here. To remove this guy, we'd have to multiply by v. This would cancel. We get a v on the top here and a v on the top here. Got the idea? So look, why don't we take the equation, if we multiply this by u, v, f, we'll get all those 3 separate operations over in one hit. So multiplying all these terms by u, v, f, we get, well, as you can probably see, we've got quite a lot of cancelling to do. That u will go with that u, that v will go with that v, and that f will go with that f. Yes, they all leave little ones. So therefore we get vf plus uf is equal to uv. They want u the subject. So we've got to get u on one side of the equation on its own. So I'm going to suggest, because we've got a u already on this side of the equation, we get uf to join it. And I'm also going to write the equation the other way round. So we get uv minus uf, that's the term we've moved, is equal to vf, the other term that hadn't moved. So therefore, we've got a common u on the left-hand side. So I can say that u, open brackets, v minus f, is equal to, copy and paste this side, vf. And our last operation is to divide through by v minus f, and that will leave u on its own on the left-hand side, and we get u is equal to vf divided by v minus f. And that is your answer.